Hi there, good morning. I'm Ross. I'm going to be thinking of some animals, and some of these are from Africa, making their noises. So let's see if you can guess. Basically, I'll make the noise and then I'll probably say the name of the animal. Okay. So apart from this is a dog, you could also hear sound of a vervet monkey, or sound of a baboon, or sound of a guinea fowl, or you could hear that's the sound of can either be an ant bear, okay, aardvark, and it digs down to get its termites. Quite a big creature, but don't surprise him because he can turn on you, and he's got big claws, scratch you. Okay. That's a rock pigeon, or what we call a forest pigeon. Okay. Let me think of some others now. That's a lioness making a noise, probably calling to her cubs. What do you think that is? It can either be a young hyena, or similarly it sounds like a vulture, a young juvenile vulture. Okay. A cockerel, a farm cockerel, so that would be easy. A cat and starts to purr when you stroke it. Okay, so there's some of the noises. Okay, or some are silent, and all you hear is the sound of their footprints, usually on granite rocks, and the echo thereof in the cave of the rock, maybe some dussies. And you can always hear the arrival of the bats by their wing flapping, but also their screeches. Lots of those little screeches as they hang upside down next to each other for warmth. Okay, so there's some examples, of some animals. Of course, the nightjar has a piercing shriek, and the owl. Those are birds that fly around at night. Okay, so there's some examples of animals. Of course, what about the snake? Okay, if it's a cobra, it'll go. The Mozambican forest cobra is particularly aggressive, and it'll hiss at you, you as a warning before it bites. Whereas the gaboon viper will just bite you if you step near it or on it. Okay. So yeah, there's some lovely animals to think about, wild and domestic. So take care. All the best. Bye.